What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We're about to check on the 24 hours market performance. Then we'll look at price in a little bit details. And after that, we'll check our positions to see how we are doing. Are we going up? Are we going down? Are we going sideways? I will just show you my positions and you can compare with yours, okay? To see how everything is moving along. But before we do that, guys, I know I know it sounds crazy. I know it sounds like something out of a movie, because right now everybody, when I say everybody is bearish. Okay, people are so bearish. They don't know, oh, elections are coming up. We don't know who is going to win. We don't know how the market is going to react. We don't know this and that. But guys, I think I am among one of the people in this space who has been telling you guys that this opportunity you have right in front of your face, right in front of you right now, is one in a lifetime. Okay, I will explain myself one more time. Basically, when the government does rate cuts, it's bearish. Okay, it's bearish, and that usually, that usually leads to a recession. Okay, what I mean to say is that no matter what the government does now, no matter what the stock market does, this rate cut you are seeing right now with the monetary policy and all that crap that goes along with it, we can't stop the inevitable, which is the economy is going to a recession. Okay, but here comes the opportunity. Very rare times, I think it's going to be the first time or something like that, if I'm not correct, that we have a US elections, presidential election, right in the same year that we are trying to fight recession. Okay, so that one is a bullish thing. Number two, is the first time that we are facing inflation, or we are facing recession, with people minds open that, okay, our monetary the money policies are not helping, because we can't keep printing out money. Now crypto offers a solution better than printing out money. This is the first time in history that people are beginning to realize that. Okay, so now when you put two and two together, you begin to realize one thing. Money, okay, when they print money and then they cut the interest rates, people think it's going to pump Bitcoin to the moon, it's going to do this and that. No, guys, it's not going to do that. At first, because of the first thing that I mentioned, which is the US election, which is number one, the new monetary policies and a bunch of shit, sorry for my language, and a bunch of stuff that is going around, the people fighting for who wants to be the president, they are going to pump the Bitcoin, they're going to pump it up. Stocks, they're going to pump them up. Or you call it even any asset in the market is going to pump. They're going to push it up so hard. They're going to push it up so hard that the average people will not know what hit it when the time comes. Oh, come on, not here. Here. The average person will not know what hit them when the time comes. That's why I'm telling you guys. At first, you're looking at Bitcoin right now. Okay, you're looking at Bitcoin, and you can see what the price is doing. I think I was the first or the only person here that told you guys Bitcoin was not going to dump right now. Probably going to go down. We had a checkout August 5th. We're going to have that the next checkout, which is what just happened. Bitcoin probably go down to 60,000 until, and then we'll chug along, probably go up a little bit, probably 67,000 until election. we're going to go to the then we're going to go to the banana phase. This mega bull run everybody is expecting is not going to happen. They're going to push it up. It's going to be a sharp, I think it's going to be like a sharp push up for both cryptocurrencies, normal stocks, and everything else. And then the fall will be monumental, because what they're doing is just kicking the can further down the road. Okay, because guys, I will say it again, rate cuts usually bring inflation. Recession. Sorry about that. Usually bring recession. So now, how do you play this? How do we play this? That's why I keep telling you guys. Excuse me. Now, how do we play this? In a simple matter. It's very, very simple. That's why I know it's boring. I know it's repetitive. But guys, if you don't want to miss this opportunity, you have to look at the market every day. I don't mean like all day glued to the screen. No, you have to at least do the check on the market 3-4 times. 2, 3, 4 times a day. You have to check at it, look at it, and see what's going on. Okay, because like I'm saying, only a few people are going to see this. And you guys remember, like last cycle, everybody was like, yeah, Bitcoin is going to 200,000, and I was looking at the market and I was like, nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think Bitcoin was going to go to 80,000. I will be honest with you guys, total transparency, I thought it was going to hit $80,000, or if they push it, $90,000. But it didn't happen. I think it hit 64, 68 thereabout. That's what it hit. So I was off by a minute. So when I look at the chart and I saw the market steam running out, I was like, oh crap, it's not happening. Because then that's when the government started doing stuff with the rates. Okay, started increasing the rates. So I was like, oh, okay, this is going to affect it. But now the rate cuts are here. Everybody think it's going to be bullish or this and that, which again, guys, for the short term, for the short period, due to the upcoming election and due to other factors around, they are going to push it. Oil is going to go up, gold is going to go up, everything else is going to move along it. Okay, but the crash is going to be epic. Okay, that's why I tell you guys, I don't want to wait for price confirmation. Okay, the assets that we are trading, which are Quant, Casper, Jasmine, those assets that we are trading on leverage, my positions are in already. Okay, we are in already. As you can look, if you can check the numbers, you will also see that now price has started to begin to level out. It has started to level out on everything. Bitcoin, you name it. It has started to level out. We are almost 2.5 weeks away from elections. Okay. Don't know why my phone keeps doing this, but we are that time period away from elections. And what you're going to see, again, I'll tell you guys, you're going to see it much more if Trump wins the elections. You're going to see Bitcoin skyrocket. Everybody is expecting $180,000, $200,000 Bitcoin, and I'm telling you guys, it ain't gonna happen. You're going to see Bitcoin hit 130, 140. If they push it, if it get pushed, 150. That's where you're going to see it. But as you guys already know, I monitor the market every day, and I will make my moves accordingly. Okay, so put that in a simple language. Rate cuts, they are just a warning to tell you that, guys, recession is almost here. Recession is almost here. So you better pay attention to everything. So get into your long position and catch these waves. Okay, not financial advice. That's what I am doing. I'm not afraid to see my positions down 20%, 30%, 40, even 50%. I don't care, because I know that once the parabolic phase comes in, which is the round 5 of the bull run, my positions will be up 3, 4, 5, or even 1,000%, or even higher. They are going to go that much. So I don't care losing 40, 50% right now. I don't care about that. Anyways, I don't even trade every day. My trades are seasonal. Okay, so you have to be able to catch that. And I told you guys, when I start shorting Bitcoin, I will let you guys know, because the bull run is going to be short, super short, guys. But the downfall is going to be steep. Okay, I heard the other guy was saying the other day, yeah, maybe we'll form a double top and then go to all-time lows or something like that. I don't think so, guys, because once it hit, okay, once they go back to interest rates to zero, then the stock market falls. Come on. When the interest rate goes to zero, then stock market falls, the DXY falls, and everything else starts to fall down. Guys, volatile assets usually take the biggest hit. Just like when they are going to start pumping the market in a couple of weeks or a month from now, volatile assets are going to go higher. That's why I believe that Bitcoin probably will go to $130,000 or $140,000. Okay, they're going to pump it that high. In the same way, when the market starts to fall, okay, when the recession starts to hit here in 8 months from now, probably 10 months or even sooner, when recession starts to hit, Bitcoin will even take it harder. So the crash will be very, very sharp and hard. Okay, so you got to take advantage of that. Make money on the way up. Okay, I'm not going to chase the top. I'm going to look at the market. Once I see everything, the RSI, MACD, all that start exhausting our steam, I'll take my profits, put in my long. I don't care if my put in my short. Sorry, I don't care if I see my position 40-50%, and then when the crash starts, I start making my money. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, pay attention to the market. It's not going to be an extended bull run. People are don't listen to these people who are saying it's going to be extended bull run. Okay, it's going to be overhaul bull run. It's not going to happen, guys. I'm telling you, the signs are right there in front of you, and a lot of people are going to miss them. Okay, I hope you see them and you can catch those waves, but on the way up and then on the way down. Okay, that being said, guys, now let's go look at the market right quick to see how the market has been performing, because I think, like I told you guys yesterday, I think we've bottomed out and now we're about to start, getting the steam to start to go up. Anyways, let's go look at crypto bubbles right quick. Let's go here, crypto bubbles. So you can see for the past hour we're beginning to see everything's beginning to climb up again, but what we are interested into is first of all King Casper. KS. There you go. For the past hour, we are up 0.29%, 0.02% up on the day, 6.8% down on the week, 21.6% down on the month, and 205% up on the year. Looking at Quant QNT, we are up 0.18% on the hour, 2.8% down on the day, 7.1% down on the week, 16.2% down on the month, and 25.9% down on the year. Guys, pay attention to that number, the last one, the yearly. You're about to see what's happening. And now you look also Jasmine, JAS. You see, Jasmine, we are down 0.42% on the last hour, 2.2% down on the day, 5.1% down on the week, 5.0% down on the month, and 505% up on the year. Again, look at those numbers, compare them from the numbers of yesterday and day before yesterday. Excuse me, let me see. When you compare those numbers, yesterday and day before yesterday, you will see that the numbers are beginning to line up. Okay, or it's no longer a steep fall. It's no longer like a falling free fall. The numbers are beginning to line up. So that's what tells me that we've bottomed out and we're about to start seeing up numbers. Okay, the numbers are about to start going up. Now let's go look at the prices in a little bit details. Let me get my trading view right quick. Trading view. See, this is Bitcoin. Okay, I don't normally check cover Bitcoin for you guys, but I usually check it because price sometimes always follows what Bitcoin does. Okay, if you look at Bitcoin, I had this resistance slash support. You can see right here. I check a simple things. Look at the price, moving average. Okay, is moving average is already curving upwards. okay? I mean moving ribbon, sorry, and then the moving average is also acting as support. Now it has to break this resistance that I have going up here at $63,000, okay? So that's what I think we're about to break. Once we break it, Bitcoin will continue the upwards trajectory, okay? That's what we are looking at. A lot of people think that it's going to get rejected and then come back crashing. No, I think it's going to break it and head up towards the $67,000. But anyways, here we don't care about that. What we're looking at is King Casper, and then I'll take it here. Okay, yesterday I told you guys we were having this move right now. Unfortunately, we are still following whatever that Bitcoin does, okay? We broke, went and retested that resistance, got rejected, okay? But again, look at the ribbon. Ribbon is curving. So yeah, I think we are going to try this again. Like I told you guys yesterday, we're going to try again, probably try to go up and retry this resistance one more time. Because like I said, if Bitcoin goes to $67,000, that gives the Casper that momentum to start also the upwards movement. But again, guys, remember, I told you guys the first 2 weeks of October, after we had a green September, usually be bearish. After that, everything follows. And again, the elections are coming up. There's a lot of catalysts coming up to tell you that Casper is about to take off. When you look at it on the 4-hourly, let's look on the 4-hour. There, look, this is what I'm talking about. It's like we are forming a double bottom, first bottom, second bottom, and then we're about to see it go retry this again, turn it into a support, and then up we go. Okay, now let's go look at Quant right quick. Quant QNT. Let's see here, QNT, USDT. Again, you guys gotta remember, I told you guys, if you're accumulating Quant right now, guys, all you need is 100 Quants. 100 Quants puts you in the top 10% rich people. Because guys, when this thing takes off, a lot of people are going to be looking like fools. Quant is a sleeping giant, guys. Quant is something that, man, if you just understand what the financial system is changing to, you will understand why I am so bullish on Quant. Guys, a lot of people say XLM, XRP. Yes, they are good coins. They are everything. XRP, after they deal with their government problems, which I'm pretty sure is going to be another long battle, okay? If they finish that, then yes, you can start talking about that. But all those ISO 222 or whatever you call them, they are all built on Quant. Guys, because you can't use XRP or XLM in the banks. I'm telling you guys, the banks are not going away. The only way banks are going to transact or hold your coins or whatever XLM or XRP that you hold is using the Quant over ledger. But anyways, that's something else that you guys got to have behind your mind. Now, looking at Quant right now, price-wise, okay, I told you guys, we were forming a double bottom. Excuse me, let me get this my arrow right quick. Here, we were forming a double bottom. The first one is here, went up, got rejected by the moving average. Again, we're forming it again. So as you can see, I'm expecting price to try to come back up again. Now, if Bitcoin pushes to 67,000, this will be enough momentum for Quant to take off, try to take the moving average and the moving ribbon and start to go up. My only problem with Quant right now is that, look at the ribbon, it's still free falling. Okay, still free falling, and the moving average also still coming down. So everything right now is depending on what Bitcoin is trying to do. Okay, for me, as you guys already know, I'm on my trades already. I don't care whatever Quant wants to do, let it do. We here to make money, because like a lot of people think that we're going lower, but this thing is about to surprise a lot of people. Okay, when you look at Quant again on the 4-hourly, look at the 4-hour. See, this is what I'm talking about. We came down, up, tried the moving ribbon, couldn't break it, came down again. Now this time I think this might be the lucky charm. Probably going to try it again and then try to break above the first resistance, $72. I mean, then the second resistance, $76 to $78. Okay, that's what is going on now with coin. And again, I will say it like I always do. You gotta zoom out on the weekly, guys. You gotta zoom out quant on the weekly. Look at this. All this you're looking at is just the beginning of a bigger move. Okay, look at the ribbon on the weekly. You see how it is curving? This is something that a lot of people are not paying attention to. Go look at the MACD, go look at the RSI. They are all oversold, guys. They are all oversold on the higher time frame. Okay, now we're just waiting for them to reset completely on the weekly. But look, the target is off here, $125. That's what quant is really playing out to do. All this price movement you're looking at right here. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine. Jasmine is something, it's another one. I will say it again. For Jasmine, I am still bearish. Short-term bearish until we cross that 2.3 cents, because it's a very, very huge resistance. Okay, very huge resistance is Jasmine at that 2.3. We've been battling that for the past 3 months. For the past 3 months, we've been battling the 2.3 cents. Every time Jasmine gets there, it gets rejected. Gets there, it gets rejected. But anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine. JASMY, Jasmine USDT right here. Now, look, for Jasmine, it is doing exactly what we're expecting it to do, because it's supposed to go up there and try that 2.3 cents. Let me go on the 4-hourly, okay? On the 4-hourly, you can even see it better. Right there, if I zoom in. So, Jasmine is doing the same thing we're expecting, okay? Look at that. The red ribbon is curving upwards. Price is just fighting the ribbon right now. But right here, this resistance you're looking at right now, this 2.3 cents, is the nightmare for Jasmine right now, okay? Every time it gets there, it always gets rejected, okay? Look at it. Get there, got rejected. Get there, got rejected. So that is what we are fighting right now, that 2.3 cents. So for me, until I see it go above the 2.3 cents, I will not really get extra bullish. But right now, as you can see, it is trying. Ribbon is curving. Moving average is very, very close, which tells me that once we go above the ribbon, it is going to climb above that moving average. And then we're about to see price start to take off, especially if Bitcoin starts to zoom up to $67,000 or $70,000. Anyways, now the opportunities are there, okay? Like I said, guys, you can either 5, 10, or even 20x your money. Not financial advice. And please, please, do not try leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do, below, okay, I do have my Phemex and Bydfi links. You can sign up. They have trading bonuses you have to meet. Once you meet them, they will give you $2,000 or $3,000 for free. Once you get that money, guys, start trading. You can follow my trades. You can follow somebody else. You can do you. Guys, I don't really care about that part. What I care about is that you make money, and in 2 to 3 months, from 8 to 10 months, or even sooner than that, we can celebrate the gains. Okay, so now let's go look at my Bydfi right quick. Bydfi right here. As you can see, I am still chugging along. Okay, 9,300 right there. 9,300. That's my overall. It's just going sideways. That's why I know that the market has bottomed and we're about to start going up. If you look at my contracts, okay, we got to first look at my Casper. I am still down 44%. If you remember, last week when the market crashed, I was down almost 67-70%. And I know a couple of friends of mine that were worried. They're telling me to close my position. And I was like, nope, it's not happening. Just leave my positions alone, because I know what I hold. I know what I'm going for. So you can see it's going up slowly, but I'm still down 44%. If you look at my quant position, I am still down 6%. Okay, 6%, because I took the profit from there and I scaled up my Casper positions. Okay, you guys remember it was like $3,000, so I had to scale it up to like 4,500, something like that. So yeah, my Bydfi is doing pretty good, and I told you guys this account, my goal is to convert it into a 6-figures account. Anyways, now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. On my Phemex, open that up. My fingerprint. Okay, on my Phemex, as you can see, it is also doing pretty good. Okay, look at that. I am still up 10,500 on my overall. Pretty good on that one. Okay, so look at my contracts. On my contracts, my Jasmine, I am still down 28%, which is better than last week. Guys, this thing was was like above 50%, negative 50%. That's what it was. So now I'm still down, yeah, 28%, which is around 3,300. On my Casper, the same thing. I'm still down 47%, which is doing better. Last week I was up there 60-70%, but I'm still down 47%, which is around 2,800. Again, you got to look at this position, especially Jasmine, guys. Right now, that 2.3 cents is a big resistance. And excuse me, 2.3 cents. Excuse me. Let me try to see this damn thing here. It's a big resistance. Okay, so the same thing. When we start going up, check that 4.5 cents. Check the 12 to 15 cents, and then there is a major resistance at 20 cents. You have to look at those price points if you want to take profits. Me, I will not take it, because like I told you guys, I'm trying to keep this position of Jasmine until the top or closer to the top of the bull run as possible. Okay, that's my plan for it. But guys, there you have it. It's an opportunity. Look at it that way, because the election and whatever they're doing, the government, hey, they're always going to do whatever they like, whether we like it or not. But all you have to do is try to ride that wave. Okay, they are going to do it. They're going to pump the markets. Make sure you are in there, make that money. And then when the market start to crash, like I told you guys, I will tell you guys when I start to short Bitcoin, which is going to be way sooner than a lot of people expect. Okay, we want to short it. I'm gonna make money my way down too and get ready for the next run. That's how it works. Okay, so that being said, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Okay, we're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. I want to hear your opinion. Please comment and share. Okay, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any time I upload a new video. That being said, guys, until I see you in my next one, bye bye.